Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog.
Wake me up when the season's gone, 'cause I've wasted all my dawns on you. So what do I do? Oh, what do I do?
Good morning, it is the 22nd of June, just getting organised. Kids are dropped off at the bus stop. I'm packing up my bags, heading up to Waikato today. Got a transfer to Hamilton this afternoon, and not sure if I'm coming back tonight or in the morning. We'll see how the afternoon unfolds. So we'll get organised now and hit the road.
Love's just another drug I have grown a victim to. So what do I do? Oh, what do I do?
Right, I think I'm organised and I'm only running about 10 minutes behind schedule, so that's great. Right, well I'll see you probably early in the morning.
Yeah. The washing machine.
Yeah. Cool. Okay.
It'd be like Christmas.
I know.
But you know what your present is.
It sucks to have to get a new washing machine, but that's life.
All is fair in love and war, so what the hell are we even fighting for? I'm on your front porch begging for my dawns back. Give my goddamn records and my clothes back, 'cause I'm through. Oh, how I'm through. And by the time she wakes, I'll be halfway to my mama's home. It just dawned on me, life is as fleeting as the passing dawn.
I'm at the Aokino Gorge at the roadworks. Made pretty good time today. Apart from the rain, everything's going really well. Should get to Pew Pew about 12 o'clock, just after, so yeah, happy days.
And it was my mistake, 'cause she never said a thing about Jesus. I miss my mother's southern drawl and her praying through the walls in the evening. Give me my dawns back. Everything that dies makes its way back.
I have made it to Pew Pew. The weather has really packed in this afternoon. Not sure how the afternoon's going to unfold now. Anyway, we'll go and find our client, see what he's up to, if he's ready to go, and we'll get him through to Hamilton.
Right, emails. Ooh, GoPro's emailed. Oh my god, I've got Joby. Hello. You wouldn't have had a chance to check the emails while you're driving, would you? GoPro has emailed, because I replied her back this morning, and I sent her a picture of the weather, and they're saying, well, we haven't had any luck with the weather to get that shot. And then she said, we've got you scheduled to get a $500 US dollar award, by the way. You should be getting an email from GoPro Awards by the end of the week. Oh, I know. Yeah, that's 750 New Zealand dollars, eh? Oh, I know. We need to be entering this sort of stuff all the time. Yeah, that money can go towards new cameras and new gear and all sorts. And it's fun doing it. We need the good weather for it. It's no good with doing it with grey skies like this. It's just horrible. We might get a lucky break in the weather though, so. Oh, I can see one tiny little patch of blue sky which is out towards your way. Yep, cool. Okay. See ya. Right, back to copyright claims on YouTube. I still have a few of them left to do. It is taking a long time. And that's run out. Might need another one. Oh, I see sunshine. I'm going to get outside after lunch and get something done. Oh.
I lost the last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory. Give me my dawns back. 'Cause everything that dies makes its way on back. I lost the last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory.
Right, well I made it to Hamilton. The weather has been terrible. Our client's in his appointment. He's going to be in there for about an hour. I'm not sure if I should risk it and get outside and get some fresh air or not. We'll see what this weather does. It's not looking promising.
Well, the weather hasn't improved a lot, really. It's still bleh. So I am going to get some stuff sorted out under this tree. I got all these plants off Mum ages ago and I should have dealt to them by now. There's 2 big tubs of some sort of iris and I think I will put them down the driveway here somewhere.
You say I'm crazy, wow, but I don't care, baby. Wow, you wanna love me and you wanna hate me, but I can't walk away. I'll give you up one time. I felt so high, I felt so low, and you always lie, but I want you, boy. I'll give you up one time. I don't know why, but I want you, boy. Always come back for more. I want you to love me. I need you to stay. Have you found another? Ooh.
I spied the neighbour down here doing some work on the fence, so I came over to give her a hand. So I'm just stapling the wires onto the posts for now.
I want you to love me, and I won't make mistakes. Please just give me something. Ooh. You said I'm angry. Wow, but you're gonna save me. Wow, you have me one day, then don't wanna know me, but I can't walk away. I'll give you up one time. I felt so.
What do you reckon, Tookies? Bark.
So high, I feel so low, and you always lie, but I want you more.
Oh, I got a wee bit sidetracked there, helping the neighbour finish off a bit of fencing that we started yesterday. It is cup of coffee time now before we have to go and pick the kids up.
Well, it's just after 2, our client's nearly done on his appointment, and then we're heading through to Trade Depot. I've got to pick up the new washing machine on the way home. Hopefully they got one in stock. Weather hasn't improved. I haven't made it anywhere. It's still raining out there now.
Wake me up when the season's gone, 'cause I've wasted all my dawns on you. So what do I do? Oh, what do I do?
Perfect. Right, well that's the washing machine collected, loaded in the van. Everything went pretty smooth. It was a bit too windy to put a camera out. Everything would get blowing over, so I didn't really get much footage, unfortunately. But we did get it in there, so that's the main thing. Right, we're heading back to Pew Pew now, drop our client off.
And by the time he wakes, I'll be halfway to my best friend's home. It just dawned on me, life is as fleeting as the passing dawn. And I should have told him twice, I believe in something bigger than both of us. But I miss going out to bars, shooting stars, not worrying about what's left of us. Give me my thorns back. Everything that dies makes its way on back. I lost her last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory. Give me my thorns back. Everything that dies makes its way on back. I lost her last July in a heart attack. I need one small victory.
What do I do? Oh, what do I do?
Right, it is just after 7, about 20 past 7. I'm back at the farm. Time to head inside, get some dinner, I think. I'm getting a wee bit peckish. It's been a long day. Get the van unloaded now, get all my gear inside.